our place of consistency of how we work is different for everybody. We can't help but develop a deeper relationship. It's like any relationship we embark on, we have our expectations. We come with our baggage, they come with their expectations and baggage, and somewhere in the middle, this third entity, the third thing is developed and expressed outward. And that third thing is also in our artwork or writing or whatever it is we're embarking on a deep creative level. And I feel it's so important. And I feel in many ways like the assignment number 1, which could be a little confusing and confounding, but to fumble in the chaos, because that's where creativity is born from, chaos, is really important. And I think revisiting it is really important as well, because you get to then really witness, engage the progress you have made, even if you feel like you haven't. And I know you all know that you've made progress. So with no further ado,